My knee problem started in 2022 at an accident where my meniscus and my ligaments were torn. So in 2025, it was recommended that I should definitely go for a total knee replacement. So I contacted Medivisor, shared my details with them, and then the next day we went into surgery. Definitely things improved very fast. My name is Darga. I am coming from Canada, but I'm originating from Mauritius, and I work in Gabon in Africa. So during one trip to Mauritius last year, I talked to my relatives who are living there about my knee problem, and they gave me the contacts of Medivisor. My knee problem started in 2022 at an accident where my meniscus and my ligaments were torn, and then as from 2024, I had arthritis complicating the issue. So in 2025, it was recommended that I should definitely go for a total knee replacement. So I contacted Medivisor, shared my details with them, and they provided me with a detailed quotation. The quotation included 2 hospitals. I started to share with them. Once I decided about the trip, they arranged for a video conference with Dr. Sao from Max Hospital because I had chosen Max Hospital. Then I felt comfortable. I started the trip. Once we landed in Delhi, we were taken in charge because I came with my wife. We were taken in charge by the Medivisor team, taking us to the hotel we selected. Things I have to say is that once we were admitted to hospital, we met Dr. Sao and we discussed about the issue of the total knee replacement, which I followed his advice. And then the next day we went into surgery. After those 24 hours, we were sent to the room. We had at least 2 visits per day of the Medivisor team, ensuring that if anything we would like to have, anything that we would ask for, it would be done. So as I said, I highly recommend Medivisor team for that reason. Every day you will find somebody from Medivisor at least twice a day. And since we arrived until now, Medivisor has always been around. Before surgery, I felt pain, but a pain that was nothing to compare with after surgery. Definitely things improved very fast. So I believe due to the way it has been done and all my concerns that I had before coming, I'm fine. I don't have any worries. And as I said initially, if anybody would plan to come to India or to New Delhi for medical reasons, I would definitely recommend Medivisor because I've been feeling comfortable, I've been feeling secure with Medivisor, and I will highly recommend Medivisor team.